this is my Cell City project. I am doing my Cell City project on a animal cell. So to start off my Cell City project, I'm going to be showing you the City Hall. And the City Hall is like a nucleus in the cell because the nucleus gives off all the instructions in the cell, just like a City Hall would, because the mayor would be in the City Hall and the mayor gives off all the instructions for a city. And right here you have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is like a road. It's like a repaired road because it like carries things around the cell. And it would be like nice and smooth and repaired, just like a nice new road. And I decided to make the grass like the cytoplasm because cytoplasm is everywhere in a cell and holds in all your organelles, just like the grass is everywhere in a city, and it would hold your road and all your buildings. So yeah. Then over here, finally we're here. This would be the mitochondria in a cell, because this is my power plant. And the mitochondria makes ATP energy for the cell and powers the cell, just like a power plant would power your city. So that was my mitochondria, or my power plant. And then over here you have, once we get there, over here you have the larger of the two vacuoles, and a vacuole is like a pond because a vacuole in a cell holds and stores water just like a pond will hold and store water. So this is my larger of the two. So then we're going to go over here. This is my post office, which is like the Golgi apparatus in a cell, because the Golgi apparatus in a cell, it packages proteins and then sends them off through the cell. Just like a post office would package all your gifts and your packages that you would give them and then send it off to whoever you want to give it to. So yeah, there's my Golgi apparatus, or my post office. Then over here, you have the smaller vacuole, which, as I mentioned before, would be, the vacuole would be like a pond because a vacuole in the cell holds and stores water, just like a little pond holds and stores water. So that's my smaller vacuole. And then over here you have the cell membrane, which would be like a city limit because the cell membrane controls what goes in and out of a cell, and this fence controls whether you can get in and out of your city. And then back over this way, which I don't think I'm going to walk this time, I'm going to fly. It'll be a bit quicker this time if I just fly instead of walking all the way over here. And drop. Okay, and then right here, this would be the lysosome, because the lysosome is like a garbage place because it gets rid of all the bad stuff for the cell and kind of throws it out of the cell. And a trash place, you put all your trash there and then they dump it out for you. So as you can see, this is like the little trash building, and then over here is like a pile of trash, and it kind of shoots it out and stacks it up. So yeah, that about concludes my animal cell city project. So I hope you enjoyed it, and it was a lot of fun to make. So there you go. I hope I get to do this again.